This is the athletic director of Nebraska, Trev Alberts, leading the nation's #1 quarterback recruit on the floor during a recruiting dead period.
Yeah.
So
not very dead.
It was alive and well.
Yeah, it was alive.
I don't see much dead going on there.
I think like
good
immediately after they showed him on the big screen too, they cut to Matt Rule, who was like firing up the crowd.
Great.
Too, so
Quite a dead period going
some
on.
lines were being towed maybe, but you know what? They're fine.
Yeah, and it's fine to talk about. Yeah, I mean, if you're Dylan, it was a good trip. I mean, you don't get showered with chants of your name very often. At least I don't. Maybe you guys do.
And it didn't take very long for
Sean.
his presence to be recognized at PBA. I mean, I had 2 friends like with little boys,
Yeah,
that took pictures with Dylan like right away.
Yeah.